In today's video, I'll be showing you how to claim an airdrop inside of Trust Wallet. When you're trying to claim airdrops inside your crypto wallet, you want to be careful that you're not connecting your wallet to any dodgy sites, because there are actually a lot of airdrop scams out there that will try to get you to connect your wallet, and then once you've done that and signed a message, you will then lose access to the funds in your wallet. So the first step to claiming an airdrop is making sure it is legitimate. If you are eligible for an airdrop, what I'd recommend to do is do some research into it to make sure it is a legitimate airdrop. And if other people have claimed it and they are real people and not bots, then it could be legit. But I can't stress enough how many scams are out there that will try and steal your money, trying to say that you have an unclaimed airdrop. In order to get airdrops, you usually have to work for them and do some sort of tasks. It's quite rare for you just to be given free money. However, if you're sure you are eligible for an airdrop, what you have to do is connect to the site telling you that you've got an airdrop, and from there they should tell you how much is available for you to claim. This is an example of a real airdrop that happened not too long ago, and the way you would claim it in this case is simply to go up to Connect Wallet, and then you can choose to connect your Trust Wallet, and from there you'll be able to see a bit like this where it says you can claim the token, and it also tells you when it's claimable until. So to claim it, you can simply click the button that would be here. Obviously it's not there now because it's ended, but you'll have to just click on that and confirm the transaction, and from there you will have successfully claimed your airdrop. So that's how you can claim an airdrop inside of Trust Wallet. I hope you found this video helpful, and thanks for watching.